So dramatic. Let's step into the green forest, where modern machines face the fierce challenges of Mother Nature.
Oh my God.
Well, let's get started. A thunderous crash echoes as the massive crane suddenly drops a 20,000-pound steel beam straight onto the roof. Debris flies everywhere, dust fills the air. The scene freezes everyone in shock. They can't believe what they're seeing. Oh wow! The intense showdown begins as the massive Caravet's K701 roars into battle against the giant tree root. Both machines growl, the heavy chain stretched to its limit. The ground trembles violently before the root bursts free in a spectacular moment. The Fekin Stump X roars fiercely, spitting smoke and shaking the ground as its hundreds of horsepower reach full power. The steel blade spins fast, digging deep into the stubborn tree root. In less than 5 minutes, it crushes everything into fine dust. The sheer mechanical power leaves everyone absolutely stunned. The massive chainsaw with its 36-inch bar screams with raw power, its sound echoing through the forest. Hundreds of horsepower roar as the blade bites deep into the giant red oak. Wood chips fly everywhere, dust fills the air. Within seconds, the enormous tree crashes down, leaving everyone in awe of this machine's incredible power. With a massive 1,050 horsepower engine, the Peterson 5710C roars fiercely, devouring solid logs like they're nothing. Its grinding blades spin fast, blasting wood chips across the yard. In just seconds, everything is pulverized, a sheer display of power that leaves everyone amazed. In the blink of an eye, the powerful Logset 5F GT moves swiftly through the dense forest, its massive wheels gliding smoothly over rough terrain. The Mesura 71 crane arm extends, gripping the giant pine trunk and lifting it effortlessly into the air. The 4-cylinder engine growls steadily, showcasing incredible strength and precision. Each heavy log is handled with ease, turning a tough logging task into a mesmerizing display of mechanical mastery. Leave a like or comment if you're fascinated by these mighty machines. No way! The 230 Timberjack skidder roars fiercely through the muddy forest, dragging massive hardwood logs weighing tons. Its powerful engine runs smoothly, sending full torque to those giant tires. Despite the slippery slopes and rough terrain, this beast keeps moving forward, showcasing incredible durability and unstoppable strength. The Eschelbach B-Bear 84 RBZ TGX 480 roars fiercely, devouring massive logs like they're nothing. Its powerful engine runs at full throttle, while the sharp blades spin fast, blasting wood chips everywhere. The sheer mechanical power is absolutely mesmerizing. The powerful Kubota moves smoothly, its high-performance engine easily lifting and carrying massive logs. Every motion is unbelievably precise, as its wheels glide across any terrain without slowing down. A truly impressive display of strength and efficiency. Wait, what? The tree suddenly falls in the wrong direction, a small mistake, but a dangerous one during cutting. In an instant, the massive log crashes straight onto the roof, creating a moment of unbelievable tension and chaos. A powerful reminder of the importance of precision in machine control.
Oh my God.
The Timberjack 1470D roars powerfully, its hundreds of horsepower enabling it to handle massive logs with ease. Its flexible operation allows the machine to conquer even the toughest terrain without struggle. The sturdy tracks work in perfect harmony, boosting harvesting efficiency and delivering an impressive display of mechanical power. A massive Douglas fir stands precariously on the Beachy Creek fire site, looming as a huge danger tree. Its sheer size and unstable position make every second tense, as crews carefully plan each move. The potential for disaster is immense, demanding skill and precision to manage safely. Wow! An unbelievable sight as the powerful school bus uproots a massive tree. Its high-powered engine and impressive horsepower pull the tree effortlessly from the ground. Everyone watches in awe, amazed by the machine's extraordinary strength. The lumberjacks carefully cut the massive tree with the support of the A300 excavator. Unexpectedly, the tree doesn't fall in the planned direction and crashes straight toward the A300. The machine's wheels and crane arm shake under the sudden force, creating a tense and dramatic moment. Oh my gosh! At the Georgia sawmill, the circle crane operates powerfully, its high-capacity engine easily lifting each heavy load of logs. The crane's claw spins precisely, raising large logs high and handling them efficiently. In just a few moves, an entire 30-ton load is unloaded effortlessly. The truck roars powerfully, its hundreds of horsepower enabling it to transport massive logs across any terrain. With every wheel turn, the truck's extraordinary strength is on full display, gliding smoothly over rough and steep ground. Each heavy log moves effortlessly, showcasing the vehicle's remarkable efficiency and durability. Viewers can't help but be amazed by the truck's incredible power and versatile performance. At the Moorbark sawmill, the PSP Debarca operates powerfully, its high-capacity engine processing logs rapidly. It peels logs from 6 to 25 feet long and 3 to 12 inches in diameter, at speeds up to 40 feet per minute. Its optimal performance makes logging work look effortless and impressive. Oh wow! The Pangipui forestry truck roars powerfully, its high-capacity engine effortlessly transporting hundreds of tons of logs across rough, muddy terrain. Every wheel turn is smooth and efficient, carrying massive loads without any obstacles. The sheer mechanical power leaves viewers completely amazed.